Hello everyone, welcome back to Multifix. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your HP Smart Tank 580, 581, or 585 printer to your home Wi-Fi network. This method is useful if you want to print wirelessly from your smartphone, laptop, or desktop computer. So, follow each step carefully, and let's connect the printer to your home network. Step 1. Turn on the printer. First, turn on your HP Smart Tank printer. Make sure the printer is powered on and ready. Also, make sure your home Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Step 2. Download the HP app. Now, take your smartphone and download the HP app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And make sure your smartphone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Add the printer. Fast Connect Printer Wireless Network. Then open the HP app and select the option to add a new printer. The app will search for nearby HP printers. When your HP Smart Tank printer appears, select it and continue with the setup. Step 4. Connect to home Wi-Fi. Now the app will ask you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap Continue and wait for a few moments while the printer connects to your home network. Please don't turn off the printer or close the app during this process. Step 5. Check the connection. Great! The printer is now connected to the home Wi-Fi network. You can now use the HP app to check the printer status and access different printing and scanning features. Step 6. Test print. Now let's do a quick test print. Select a document or photo from your phone and tap Print. As you can see, the printer is printing successfully over the Wi-Fi network. And that's it. This is how you can connect your HP Smart Tank 580, 581, or 585 printer to your home Wi-Fi network. Now you can easily print wirelessly from your smartphone, laptop, or computer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Multifix for more printer tutorials, Wi-Fi setup guides, and troubleshooting videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.